Hi, I'm Dr. Jha from Clinic, Leamington Spa. Today we are meeting this lovely young man who traveled all the way from black countryside, and he suffers from a condition called Pearly Penile Papule. In short, we call it PPP, or in Latin they are called hirsutis genitalis. But whatever it is, these are small problems and fairly common in young boys. And they develop this poorly white bumps on the head of the rim of the penis. By the age they reach 12, 13, 14, they develop this. And in any given population, whether it is United Kingdom or United States or Norway, Sweden, 20% of boys will have Pearly Penile Papule. Some will have a very mild form, others will have moderate to severe. And it affects their confidence. Those people who get PPP, it seriously affects their confidence to the extent they are not confident to talk to girls or get into a relationship and so on and so on. So this is completely normal. If you have Pearly Penile Papule, you do not need to have the treatment unless it is affecting your confidence and self-esteem and that sort of things. So this gentleman contacted us a while ago. After doing lots of research, he read our website information about PPP and read about Google reviews, etc., etc. He felt confident to contact us. He contacted us. He got the appropriate information about the PPP, how we treat it, and so on and so on. So he has now had the treatment. His main anxiety was around pain. Let me tell you, the procedure is completely painless, but you hear this from this gentleman who just completed the treatment 5 minutes ago. You tell Daniel, the viewers who are watching this video, about your experience with us so far, and how much pain or discomfort did you have when I was doing the PPP treatment, actually laser treatment?
I didn't feel a thing. I was expecting to at least feel something, but I didn't feel anything. So anyone who's worried about pain, let that go, because you don't need to worry about that.
Sure. So boys are a little bit anxious. It will cause pain, discomfort, because the organ is very sensitive to touch and pain. And let me reassure you, there is no pain, and there are various ways of treating it, but laser is the best. Carbon dioxide laser, if you have carbon dioxide laser near your area where you live, get it done and get out of that anxiety and depression or low self-esteem and that sort of things. Hope that helps. Thank you again. Take care. God bless.